Today we will learn how to save colors and gradients in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. In Adobe Illustrator, colors are managed through swatches. First, make sure we can see the swatches panel. Go to Window menu and choose swatches. The swatches panel controls all the colors, gradients and patterns in your document. So now you can pick any color in Adobe Illustrator. For example, you can double click the fill box on the toolbar to open the color picker. Choose a color and click OK. With that fill color active, go to the swatches panel and click the new swatch icon. This little plus sign. In this dialog, give your color a name, then click OK. You can also create a swatch by dragging the color into the swatches panel. Now the important thing is these colors are only saved to this specific file. If you create a new document, our recent color will not appear because we have not saved it in Illustrator libraries. Now let's save our swatches for future use. In the swatches panel menu, choose Save Swatch Library as Adobe Illustrator AI extension file. Save the file to a folder you will remember. With our swatches saved, we can load them in any new document. I will explain this step later. Next, let's create and save a gradient. Draw a shape, select it with the selection tool, double click on the gradient tool in the panel, choose the type linear or radial. Click on linear for now. You will see a gradient slider with two color stops. Click the left stop to select it, then double click the color box to edit its color. Choose your first color and click OK. Now click the right stop and choose a second color. The object now shows a gradient from the first color to the second. To add more colors, click just below the gradient slider to add a new stop, then pick its color. You can also drag stops along the bar to reposition the color transition. You can also use the gradient tool on the object to adjust the gradient direction and spread. Click and drag on the object to redefine how the gradients fill it. Gradients can get very creative. So now let's save it. First make sure the gradient fit object is selected. In the swatches panel, click the new swatch button again. Illustrator will add the selected gradient as a new swatch. It shows a gradient icon in the panel. Our gradient is now saved as a swatch. To export gradients for reuse, go to swatches panel menu and choose save swatch library as AI. This .ai swatch library file will include your gradient swatches and can be loaded into Illustrator later. Name the file and save it. In any new Illustrator document, you can load this library via window menu and swatch libraries and other library, or the panel menu, open swatch library, other library. Remember, color is a crucial part of design. With this step, you now have full control over your Illustrator colors. Keep your swatches organized, name them well, and practice editing them. Don't be afraid to experiment. Using these tools will make your design look polished and consistent. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. Share in the comments how you use colors in your project, or if you have any question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.